me. I am 7. I am a pupil. My favorite subject in English. I live in Yerevan. I study art school. I like all color. I like all fruit. My favorite season is summer because I like sea and sun. I spend my weekend in the country. My favorite animal, dog and rabbit. Goodbye.